Hello everyone. With this video, we are going to start a new series on Mathematics Olympiad problems and other interesting problems of mathematics from repeated competitive examinations. If you have passion for mathematics, you love mathematics, then subscribe our channel for upcoming more problems on mathematics. In this video, we will solve this Olympiad problem in 3 different ways. Dear viewers, it will be pleasure for me if you come up with some other method of this problem. Please share your idea through comment section. So without any delay, let's get started. So to prove this result, we will use following formulas and all of you are well familiar with these formulas. So first formula is the sum of squares of first n natural number. And everyone knows that the sum of squares of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Secondly, we will use the sum formula for squares of first n odd natural numbers, and it will be equal to 4 by 3n into n square minus 1 plus n. So we will be using these two formula frequently to prove this result in 3 different ways. So let's start method 1. So let's discuss method 1. First, we denote this quantity by S. Now add and subtract two square, 4 square up to 201 square. So what we have to do? We have to add and subtract these quantities. So what we have? We have S is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 2010 square. So first we have this expression minus, because if we add 2 square, 4 square, 2010 square and subtract this quantity, then these negative terms get doubled. Okay, so it will be minus 2 times 2 square plus 4 square and so on 2010 square. Okay, now again rewrite this as 1 square, 2 square up to 2010 square minus 2 times. If you see that, if we take 2 square from all terms outside, so what we have, take 2 square outside from all terms, what we are left with 1 square, 2 square up to 1005 whole square. Now you can comfortably use the sum of squares formula. So these are 2010 terms, so n is 2010 here, and use the formula 1 to get 2010n times n plus 1, 2011 times 2n plus 1, 4020 plus 1 means 4021 divided by 6 minus 8, because this quantity will be 8, and again use formula of squares, sum of squares, 1 square, 2 square, 1005 square. So n is 1005 here. Again we get 1005 n plus 1, 1006 and 2n plus 1, that is 2011.
divided by 6. So on simplification, this will give you the result minus 202105. A simple calculation will give you the result. So this is the method 1 to solve this problem. So let's discuss method 2 here. So again, first we denote this quantity by S. Now what we do, we separate the terms with positive signs and the terms with negative signs. So what we have to do, we have to separate these terms, positive signs and negative sign terms. So let's separate 1 square plus 3 square and so on 2009 square. Now separate the negative terms, take minus common, 2 square plus 4 square up to 2010 square. Again write 1 square plus 3 square 2009 square minus take 2 square common as we did in method 1. So it will be 1 square plus 2 square up to 1005 whole square. Now call first portion as, call this A, this quantity A, and call this quantity B. Now what we do, we separate these quantities A and B. So we calculate this quantity A and B separately. Okay, now rewrite this as A minus B. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate A 1 square plus 3 square up to 2009 square. Now you can write this quantity in summation form also. Summation are running from 1 to 1005 to r minus 1 whole square. Now you can use formula for this. You can use formula number 2 as we stated earlier, 4 by 3 n square minus 1 plus n. So what is n here? N is 1005. So this is n here. Now put the value of n, 4 by 3 1005 n square, that is 1005 square minus 1 plus 1005. Now further simplify this, 4 by 3 into 1005, use a square minus b square for this expression. So a minus b is 1005 minus 1, that is 1004. And next 1005 plus 1, that is 1006 plus 1005. Now simplify this expression. Now we calculate B. B is 2 square 1 square plus 2 square up to 1005 whole square. Now you can use the formula sum of squares of first n natural number. So this will be 2 square. What is n here? N is 1005. So 1005 n times n plus 1, 1006 times 2n plus 1. 2n is 2010 plus 1, that is 2011, divided by 6. So you can compute S is equal to A minus B. Put the value of A minus B here and you will get minus 2021,055. So this will be the method 2. Now we will discuss method 3. So let's move to method number 3. Oh my goodness, this is the easiest method. So again rewrite this as S. So you can use A square minus B square for these two numbers. So it will be 1 minus 2 and 1 plus 2. Again apply the same technique for these two numbers. 3 minus 4, 3 plus 4. Continue in this manner. We are end up with 2009 minus 2010 and 2009 plus 2010. Now if you observe that every time we have minus 1 here, this is minus 1 times 1 plus 2, minus 1 times 3 plus 4, minus 1 times 2009 plus 2010. So every time you have minus 1 here. Okay, so it means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. How many times? 2009 times. So you can write this as minus 1 raised to power 2009. Okay, and what you are left with? 1 plus 2 from the first factor, 3 plus 4 from the second factor, and continuing like this, 2009 plus 2010 from the last factor. So minus 1 raised to power an odd number is minus, and what is the portion in the square bracket is sum of first n natural number, and n is 2010 here. So apply the formula for sum of first n natural number, that is 2010 n plus 1 divided by 2. So again simplify this calculation and you will get the result 2021,055. So that was the last method to solve this problem. That's all from my side. And dear viewers, if you have any other idea, please share your idea in the comment section box.